Welcome back to Ollie Product Review. Today I have another watch. The brand name is Berny. This watch is a pilot watch model for men. Let's just get started. The outer box is white. It is made of paper. Very reasonable. I bought it for $50. I got big discount. The inner box is pink, like peach. The box is textured too. I open now. There is bubble wrap here. Wow. This is the watch, army green color. I will put the watch here first. This is the manual. I bet you never read it. There's no harm in reading it, if you want to know more about this watch. And the last one is a soft safety pad. Let's discuss the main menu this time. Berny with model number T2596MS green. The case material is made of titanium. Amazing, for only $50, I got a pilot watch with titanium material. This is a detail of the back of the case. Titanium is a metal that has a balanced strength and weight, and is resistant to corrosion. The case diameter of this watch is only 37 millimeters. With a thickness of 10 millimeters, using sapphire glass makes this watch strong in all fields. I will show the details to the camera, so you can judge this watch. The strap stitching is very neat. You can see for yourself. This is the full specification of this watch. This is what the Luminous watch looks like. The weight of this watch with a NATO strap is only 39 grams. If you have this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.